The 48V 1000W Go Kart Motor Kit is a high-speed, powerful mid-motor kit that comes with a rated speed of 3,500 revolutions per minute and a rated current of 30 amperes. The motor is small in size, high in torque and speed, and is easy to install, making it efficient and reliable for go-karts, e-bikes, e-scooters, mini motorcycles, quads, ATVs, and more. The kit includes a DC motor which can rotate both clockwise and counterclockwise, offering 3 speed functions: low speed at 50%, mid speed at 70 to 80%, and high speed at 100% efficiency. Also included in the kit is a 12 MOSFET 30-amp brushless motor controller that comes with high-quality material, providing Hall 3-speed reverse throttle charging, e-braking power lock light functions. At a price of $219.9, the kit provides good value with its comprehensive list of components, which includes a 1000-watt BLDC motor, speed controller, handlebar twist grip throttle, foot throttle, power lock key, T8F tooth, T8F chain, and a 3-speed switch. With a review score of 4.2 based on 116 reviews, the 48V 1000W Go Kart Motor Kit by Kunray has proven to be a reliable and efficient choice for many customers.